Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the Christmas Ornaments Challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul and designed to the nines. And we're gonna make ornaments. Our first ornament will be this galvanized bubbles I made for my Christmas tree. I made a big one and I made those smaller ones as you can see. And I'm gonna show you how I paint this one, the big one. I love them, they are so beautiful. Now let's get started. First we're gonna take our bubbles and we're gonna paint them using this Rust-Oleum. After that we're gonna add some white, gray, and brown. First we're gonna start with our gray paint and we're gonna do it like I'm doing it here. Just pressing our brush to the bubble, and then we're gonna add some white, not a lot like we did with the gray. And for the last step, I'm adding a little bit of brown because I want a bit of rust on my bubbles. And that's it. Now I'm gonna make this cute smaller ornaments that you can add to a present or you can just add them to your Christmas tree. For that we're gonna use those small trees, just a tree, because the base we're gonna use it for the bow, and we're gonna glue it to the bottom of your ornament like that. And as you can see, I'm having some issues finding the other half of my ornament. But after you find it, you close it and you add some twine. And it's a bit difficult because those ornaments have really small hole to add your twine. But after you do it, you add your twine, you tie a knot like that, and then you make your beautiful bow and add the base of your Christmas tree to the top, and that will be it. You tie that bow like that, and then you fluff it, tie it again, and that's it. You add it to your ornament and you have a cute small ornament. Remember to check out the playlist as well as our host channels. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.